will activate sales order voucher in Telegram. So from gateway of Tele, click on alter option and then voucher type option, and here I'm going to open sales order voucher. Activate this type of voucher, mark this option yes. Your sales order voucher has been activated successfully. So from gateway of Tele, press V, and first I'm going to show you how you will be make PI, and after that I will show you how you will be add image in made PI. So by pressing F2 we will change the date in which date you are going to make PI, and under party account name we will select party if, account name if already created. If ledger not created, so by pressing Ctrl C you can create the party ledger. And if item ledger not created, so you can create by pressing Ctrl C item ledger. If created, so you can select from here. So I'm going to create stock item water bottle under primary, and under unit we will select pieces, and GST will be applicable. Set alter GST detail, mark yes, and you have to fill description, HSN code of the product. Under taxability, select taxable. 18% tax rate will be applied on this product. And after this we will select the quantity and the rate. So here I'm going to select 1000 quantity with 150 rate, and apply CGST as GST if you are making PI for local party, and apply IGST if you are making PI for intrastate party. So our party is belong to local area. So here we will apply output CGST 9% and output SGST 9%. So this is how our PI will be ready. So save this PI, and if you want to add image, so first we need to export this PI in Excel format. So here I'm going to open the PI, and there is an option upper side export. Click on this current, and we will configure and select Excel option. So scroll down, and under file format you have to select Excel format and click on send option. Now you can see our PI has been exported in Excel format. So here you have to some edit in PI as per your requirement. You can delete unnecessary column, unnecessary rows. So if you want to add, if your buyers want HSN code, so you can fill, otherwise you can delete this column, and unnecessary column you can delete, and you can make a invoice format. So here this is the water bottle. So for adding image we need some space, so we can add rows so that we can paste our image over here. So I'm going to set some lines raw, and unnecessary lines we will delete it. So this is the how I'm going to delete the unnecessary thing over here. And after this, so here I have open image, so I'm going to take screenshot of the image and I will paste over here, and you can set as per your requirement. You can keep the size small or big. So here I'm going to set this image below the stock item. So this is how we have set image with the stock item. Save this Excel file wherever you want to save, and after this we will convert Excel into PDF so that we can share this PDF PI to the buyers. So click on Google option and search there Excel to PDF converter. So I have already opened Excel to PDF converter online. Click on the top of the docs, and here you have to select Excel file, select all, and select your file wherever you have saved. So I have selected and click on the open, convert to PDF. Now you can see your PDF is ready. Click on download PDF, and this is your PI in PDF format is ready. Now you can see there is showing product with image. So this is how you can also make PI with image. MRP details, MRP column on sale invoices. So how you will be enable this option In this video I'm going to show you. So from gateway of rally I have pressed V so that voucher can be opened. Now you can see sales voucher I have selected, and select the party account. If party account not created, so by pressing Ctrl C you can create from here. And after this, here we will select the product stock item. So I'm going to select bag. So if you want to mention MRP column on sales invoices, so you first we need to enable that option in Telegram, so that MRP details column can be added in sales invoices. First, select the stock item where you want to add MRP rate and open the stock item by pressing Ctrl Enter, and then press F12 from here. Now you can see under inventory details there is an option provide MRP details. Mark this option yes, and by pressing Ctrl A save the screen. Now you can see MRP option is showing over here. Set alter MRP details. Mark this option yes and press enter. First option you will get to see allow MRP modification in voucher. Mark this option yes. You can modify your MRP detail. So press enter. Now you can see MRP marginal option is enabled. Here you can put your MRP, whatever MRP you want to put, and after that quantity and the rate of the product, and save this screen. Second item, if you want, let's suppose you are making invoices where 3 or 4 item is there, and you have to mention MRP rate for all the products. So one by one, open your stock item by pressing Ctrl Enter. Set alter GST MRP yes, and first option you have to mark yes and save the screen. So MRP and marginal option also enable for the second product, and fill your MRP, quantity and the rate. Let's suppose you are making invoices where 3 or 4 product, and out of 3 or 4 product you don't want to mention MRP rate for any particular product, so you can skip this MRP details. Otherwise, if you want to enable, if you want to mention MRP for all the stock items, so you can enable, you will have to enable one by one by opening your stock item, and after that we will apply taxes. So this is how we have mentioned. So let me show you first print preview of the invoices. So click on print, and then current, and then print preview. By pressing F4 I can zoom the invoice so that it can be visible properly to all of you. Now you can see here MRP marginal column is not showing over here. Why? As because we have not configured. So click on configure option, and under statutory details you can see show MRP marginal option. Mark this option yes, and let me show you again print preview so that we can see. Now after configure you can see MRP marginal column has added next to HSN code. So this is how you can also add MRP column in your sales invoices for all the products you want to mention. After making invoice, when you will click on e-way bill generate option yes, so this screen will appear on your screen. So you have to provide all the information like in subtitle, supply, document type, text, invoice option, provide transporter detail and vehicle number, and accept the screen, and you will get to see error is showing. If you want to know what is the error, why your e-way bill is not generating, so you want to know your error, so click on the go to option and type e-way bill, and click on the e-way bill option and select the date. You can get to say whatever error is showing over there. If the error is showing distance kilometer, you have to provide, and you have provide approximate distance, so tally will not make e-way bill. On the behalf of that you have to provide exactly distance in kilometer. Pin to pin distance you have to search. So how you will get to know pin to pin distance? So open Google and search pin to pin distance. So consignee and consigner you have to take a pin code number from where to where you are dispatching material. So I'm going to open Google pin to pin distance search. Click on the first docs is showing, and here pin to pin distance search. From in from you have to provide from pin code number, and in to number you have to provide pin code number from to, and there is showing captcha. Click on captcha and click on go option. You will get to see exactly distance, pin to pin distance, and whatever distance is showing over you have to provide in e-waybill. Exactly you have to provide the same distance showing here. Now you can see 39 kilometer is showing pin to pin distance search. So only 39 kilometer you have to provide over here, not more than this and not less than this. So when you will provide 39 kilometer and when you will accept the screen, your e-way will be generated successfully. So customer want to print their name on cash sales invoice. So how you will be print? From Gateway of Delhi, press B, and from the right hand side select sales voucher. By pressing F2 you can change the date in which date you are making cash sale invoice. Under party account name, you have to select from here cash ledger, which is automatically by default available in Telegram. So select cash if you are making cash sales invoice. Now you will get to see under party details bill to and ship to address. If this screen is not appearing on your screen, so don't worry. From the right hand side, click on configure option, F12 option, provide separate buyers and consignee details. You have to mark this option yes. So this option will be appear on your screen and you can use it. So here you have to type your customer name. Let's suppose you are making sales invoice for Aditya Sharma. So Aditya Sharma, type his name and the full address of your customer, like his address, mobile number, email id, whatever details are required you can provide all these details. And you can select state, and under registration select unregistered, and under ship to details you have to copy paste bill to address as it is. So this is how you can configure and you can provide the customer detail, and after that you can choose the product you are selling. So I'm going to select here bottle, and you can select the quantity you are selling with the rate, and after that we will apply taxes if you're selling local. So apply output CGST and output SGST. Now invoice is completed. So click on print option and then current option and then print preview. Let me show you print preview how your invoice will show. So I'm going to click on print option, preview option, and then by pressing F4 we can zoom the invoice. Now you can see there is showing Aditya Sharma. So this is how you can make cash sale invoice with your customer name. If you want to download sales register in Excel sheet in Excel format, so how can you download in Telegram? I'm going to tell you in this video. So from Gateway of Delhi, if you want to download, so from Gateway of Delhi press D, then you will get to see accounts books option, then click on this option, and next you will get to see sales register. After clicking this option you can see sales register has been opened in month-wise format. So you can select the month you want to export. So let's suppose if I want to export April month, so I will click on April month, and here sales register open. From the right hand side there is a columnar option. Click on this option, and if you want to export this sales register in detail, so there is so many option you can enable according to your requirement. Like there is a option show voucher number. If you want to see voucher number, narration, GST number of supplier, so there is so many option. You can just you can mark yes or no according to your requirement, and by pressing Ctrl A you can save this screen. So here our sales register is ready. There is export option. Click on this option and then current option. Now you can see file format is showing in PDF format. If you want to download in PDF format, so click on send option and you can download in PDF format. By clicking configuration we will First we will configure, we will change format Excel, and click on send option. Your sales registered is getting download in Excel format. Now you can see here file is ready, and you can save this file and you can send to anyone, your senior, whoever asks this detail, through WhatsApp or through email. So this